Group sues Osinbajo, Minister of Education, for allegedly removing CRS from school curriculum. A group, the Incorporated Trustees of Kingdom Human Rights Foundation International, challenges the alleged removal of CRS from school curriculum in court. The group is seeking to ascertain whether the removal of CRS as a separate subject from the academic curriculum breaches the right of freedom of conscience and religion and belief. The rights group is also seeking to restrain the Minister of Education and Federal Ministry of Education from amending the school curriculum in a manner that will exclude Christian religious studies. A group, the Incorporated Trustees of Kingdom Human Rights Foundation International, has instituted a legal action against the acting president, Yemi Osinbajo, the Minister of Education, Adamu and the Federal Ministry of Education for allegedly removing of Christian Religious Studies, CRS, from the academic curriculum of studies for Nigerian schools. According to Vanguard, in the suit filed before the Federal High Court in Abuja, the group is praying the court to determine the following as stated below: whether or not the removal of CRS as a separate subject from the academic curriculum of studies for Nigerian schools amounts to breach of rights of Christian children, students to freely acquire sound Christian education in line with the constitutionally guaranteed right of freedom of conscience and religion and belief. Whether or not the removal of CRS as a separate subject from the academic curriculum of studies for Nigerian schools is an act capable to cause religious and ethnic conflict in Nigeria. Whether or not the new education curriculum, which introduced Islamic Arabic studies and French studies as two optional subjects and mandating that one of the subjects must be taken by every student, does not amount to indirect, systematic and clandestine compulsion on Christian students to take up Islamic studies in the event of non-availability of a French teacher, contrary to their religious belief, and therefore tantamount to systematic Islamization of Nigeria in view of Section 10 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Whether or not the Honorable Minister of Education has the power to remove CRS as independent academic subject in Nigerian schools, as well as whether or not the inclusion of Islamic religious knowledge as a separate subject of study in the new education curriculum without corresponding availability of Christian religious knowledge, amounts to systematic denial of Christian students the rights to acquire sound Christian education and good moral values as guaranteed in the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The group is also requesting that the court declares that the Minister of Education lacked the power to remove CRS as an independent academic study in Nigerian schools. In addition, it's seeking to restrain the Minister of Education and Federal Ministry of Education from amending the education curriculum in a manner that will exclude CRS. Meanwhile, the Christian Association Nigeria, CAN, has called on the Federal Ministry of Education and the Nigerian Educational Research and Development Council, NERC, to publish the full details of the controversial new curriculum of education if they have no hidden agenda. Speaking through its president, Dr. Samson Okun, CAN alleged that there is discrimination against Christian students in the curriculum. To buttress his point, the CAN president cited a case in Kwara State where a student was punished for refusing to register for Islamic religious knowledge. CAN also stated that its Delta State chairman called to complain that students are calling him to say that their teachers are saying that they will no longer be doing Greek as a subject again.